Today we're going to learn about divisibility by 4. The rule states that a number is divisible by 4 if its last two digits are divisible by 4. What does it mean that the last two digits are divisible by 4? Let's take the number 116. In this case, 16 would be the last two digits. And so, therefore, if this value is divisible by 4, then we know the entire number is divisible by 4. 16 happens to be divisible by 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Therefore, we know that the number 116 is divisible by 4. The reason this works is because any value in the hundreds place is divisible by 4 if the tens in the ones place are zeros. What I'm trying to say is that the number 100 is divisible by 4. The number 200 is divisible by 4. The number 300 and so on is divisible by 4. We know that 100 is divisible by 4 because 100 divided by 4 is 25. And so similarly, this would be 50 and this would be 75. So given that information, we only need to look at the last two digits if they aren't zeros to determine if it is divisible by 4. If you take the number 105, you know 100 is divisible by 4, but the 5 is not. And so that messes up the entire number. It's not divisible by 4. But if you take 108, you know 8 is divisible by 4, and this is 2. And you also know 100 is divisible by 4, and this is 25. And so you can actually sum up 2 and 25 to get 27, and that's your answer. 108 divided by 4 is equal to 27. Now for bigger numbers like 1,000, it's the same as 100 when dividing by 4, except you just add an extra 0. So instead of 25, it'd be 250. For 10,000, it'd be 2,500. So what we can do is take a crazy number like 9,260,540, and we take the last two digits, 40, and we know 40 is divisible by 4, which is 10, and that works. So the entire number we know is divisible by 4.